Looking for a working Temu coupon code? You're in the right spot. The code you need is right here on the screen. But if you want the full $100 coupon bundle, click the first link in the description below. It'll take you to the same promo page I'm on. Now, scan the QR code on the screen. Then download the Temu app from there. Once you open the app, the $100 bundle is automatically applied at checkout. Already have the app? Just copy the code from the screen, paste it in the Temu search bar or on the checkout page. Done. That's all it takes. The coupons work on a ton of items. Clothes, electronics, home finds, you name it. Scroll through and see what you like. I'll keep the link updated with working codes all the time. No expired promos, no fake deals, just real discounts you can use now. Grab your code and save more on your next Temu order. Links in the description, codes on screen, don't miss it. Let me know what you grabbed in the comments. Happy shopping!